Hey you guys, welcome back to Candlecraft Magic's YouTube page. Alright, today we are going to be doing, this is one of my personal spells right here that I've been practicing for a couple years now, and I would pick this spell up through one of my teachers who has now passed away. The purpose of this spell is to rid negative energy and illness that is on you, and then when you start to feel better and your candle goes out, then you can draw the positive energy into you and good luck. And we'll be doing that today with two of my sisters. Today we're going to be starting off with Lemon Ginger, and she's going to be going down the body, okay? So, for instance, you want to start this off because you're not feeling good. Maybe you have depression and you can't get out of bed. You have a stomach ache, a headache, a migraine. This technique is built more for the person that is struggling mentally and physically and cannot really get up and motivate yourself to do anything. Okay. The first thing that you're going to want to do is you want to go get you some Florida water. All right. You can purchase this off of Amazon or just look in other locations. It's really easy to find. Florida water is a spiritual water and a spiritual wash that cleanses away and draws in spirit. So it cleanses away energy that you don't need and draws in spirit to assist you with your work. So what you're going to do is you're going to start off with one white visual candle. And what you have to do is what's called dressing the candle. Okay? So by dressing the candle, you're going to put spiritual wash on that candle. Now you don't need that much. And it doesn't matter which way you go, but you want to dress the candle. And that's because we're inviting spirit into your room. Okay? Wherever you are going to be, you're going to be inviting spirit into your room and paying attention to the flame of this candle. It now has spiritual wash on it. And it's going to give you divination when the candle is done. But we need to wake the candle up and invite spirit into it. Not yet. This is where Lemon Ginger comes in here. So, she's not feeling good. She's great today, but if she wasn't feeling good, she had depression, she will run to her supply case and grab her white candle and dress it. And then, just as you would do an egg pull, this is how you're going to do it with a candle. We're going to start from the crown of the head, and we're going to work down the body. Okay? Calling in your spirit guides, your spirits of the land, spirits to assist you. Let's move up a little bit. Okay, you're going to really get into the back, behind the shoulder blades, because this is where a negative entity will sit and eat on you, eat on your energy, okay, and give you sadness, give you sickness. So you want to just really sit right there. You can do this yourself easily. So we're going to keep going around the body, saying you can say any prayer you like. I like the Our Father. Okay. Going down the hand. Okay. Do not go up and down the body as we talked about in our last video. You want to just go in one direction. Going down the body. And inch kiss just one shoe off. That's all. Oh, the shoe. Yeah. You want to get the bottom of your feet. Billy, can you see that? This is where you hold energy at, right here. So in this spell, you want to really get the bottom of your soles. Okay? And then you go down this leg here, go in the front. Then
feels like a massage already.
She said it feels good. That's great. We want it to feel good. Down this side here. I'll help you with your foot. Getting the soles of the feet. Now this is also going to balance out your root chakra. This is where you hold your energy for your money issues, okay? If you don't feel good, you're going to be dizzy. You want to really get your root chakra. Okay? And then the back of the leg. Thank you, Ann. Thank you, Ginger Lemon. Okay. Now her candle has the energy on it that we wanted to remove away, okay? But we need to wake this candle up because when it's lit, we're going to pay attention to the flame and you're going to connect with it. You knock it 3 times. Spirits in the room. Okay, all right, so then you'll light the candle, but we're gonna sit it right here for a minute. Now, because she wasn't feeling good, she was feeling depression, illness, some type of feelings there like that, your candle may possibly come out looking like this. And don't get scared. You want it to. This means that you are on the right track of removing negative energy. Okay, removing negative energy. And then you see how it clears up right back down here? That means you're on the right track. You want to do another one. You want to do another one, or you can now do an egg pull, okay? If you don't want to do another candle. So, you're feeling better. You're feeling better. This candle's going to stay lit for about 3 to 5 days. You're going to lay in bed, you're going to stare at it, you're going to connect with the flame, and eventually you're going to get yourself up and take a nice salt bath or an egg pull. You're going to do something now. Now you got the energy and spirit to help you with the, taking the bath, doing an egg pull, getting up, cleaning the house, try something. Once you gain your energy back, we're going to show you how to draw in positive energy and good luck by coming in here with Moon Stardust. Thank you, Ginger Lemon. There's Moon Stardust. She's back, guys. Okay, so again, we're going to dress the candle because now we're going to be bringing in good luck to you. You've done all that. You did that. Okay, days have gone by. You're going to dress your candle, blow into it to wake it up. We're not going to knock it yet, but here goes Sister Stardust. And now to draw in, we are going to start at the bottom, getting her souls, because she's going to balance out her money. She's going to draw in good luck with money right here at the bottom. We're going to come up. We're going to come up her body because we are drawing stuff in now. I'm going to stop at her hip. I'm going to go on the back of the leg and come up. We're going to go over here. Yeah. Okay. And then we're going to get the bottom here. We're balancing out our money. We're drawing in good money. We're drawing in balance. We're feeling better.
Thank you.
Okay, come up the body. Come up her back. Getting right here. Drawing in positive entities now to attach to you to draw in positive vibes, good fortune, abundance. Okay, you're going to go up the hand. All right. You're going to go up the other hand. Okay. And we're going to get her crown chakra. Right here. There we go. All right, the energy felt great. Thank you, Stardust.
Thank you.
Knock her 3 times, y'all. All right. Now you're going to keep that burning, okay? So you light it. I draw in positive energy towards me. My abundance, I'm attracted to. Positive energy is attracting to me. I am a money magnet. 3 times 3 times 3. As I will it, so mote it be. Light it. Whatever you can say whatever you want, but that's just for example. Now, when that gets to burning, you want it to look like this. This means you are on the right path to financial success, joy, and happiness. You're good. You probably want to do this every 3 months. I mean, it just all depends on when you struggle with that emotional distress and mental issues or an illness. But you don't have to do this all the time. It's like once every 3 months, Hopefully you don't even have to do it then, because this is really powerful. This is going to get you out of bed. This is going to bring back your magic, okay? So a question came in, if you can do this on yourself. Yes, most definitely. You do this on yourself. Even though you got that part in the back there, just do the best you can. The candles are tall. It's going to get that spot, okay? And you can also do it with the egg pull for that extra oomph. But if you're not feeling good enough to do the egg pull, you start with this. And then you do the egg pull when you start to feel better. Okay, guys? All right, well, listen, I want you guys to subscribe to my channel. Follow me. I'm also on Facebook at Candlecraft Magic. go to the website at candlecraftmagic.com and buy some of your lucky loaded candles, your uncrossing candles, and whatever you may need. Peace out. Blessed be.